In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and make data collection a breeze, embedding a form directly into your website can be a real game changer. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to start by opening the form view of your board. If you're not quite sure what that means, let me explain. In Monday.com, each board can have different views to help you manage your tasks or projects more effectively. The form view is particularly useful when you want to collect information from others. It's basically a digital form where responses are imported directly into your board. To access it, open your specific board within Monday.com and navigate to the View options, usually located at the top of your board interface. Select Form View, and you'll immediately see your form ready to go. Once you're in the form view, the next step is to share it in a way that others can easily access. This is where the Share Form button comes into play. Located at the top of the interface, clicking this button will provide you with a range of sharing options. What we're interested in today is the embed code. When you click to share, you'll find the option to copy embed code. This coded snippet is essentially a little piece of magic that allows your form to appear and be functional on another website. So go ahead and click to copy this embed code to your clipboard. Next, let's move on to how you can make this form appear on your website. This part might sound technical, but it's actually simple. You need to paste the embed code into your website's HTML. To do this, access the HTML editor of the web page, where you want the form to appear. This might be in your website builder or a content management system like WordPress. Look for the section where you manage the HTML code, often under Settings or Advanced Options. Once you're in, paste the embed code exactly where you want the form to display. This will insert the form into your web page, making it visible and usable to your site visitors. Finally, let's talk about what happens after someone fills out the form. The best part about embedding this form is that all responses will be collected directly into your Monday.com board. So you can easily keep track of new entries without worrying about manual data transfers. This seamless integration ensures that as soon as someone submits a response, it gets added to your board, allowing you to manage and analyze the data right alongside your existing workflow. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to embed a form in your website using Monday.com. This integration can significantly enhance how you gather and process information from your audience, all with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.